Good morning, Lily. Good morning, Mom. Are you okay? I'm fine. Come on, Lily. Let's eat breakfast. Okay, Mom, let's go.
I don't feel well. I'm not hungry. I have a really bad headache.
Today is important. I can't miss work.
But I feel very sick. I still have to go to work.
Hi, Lily. Good morning. How are you?
Good morning, James. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you, James? How about you?
I'm doing well, Lily. I'm on my way to the office.
Your voice sounds different today, Lily. Is everything okay?
Yes, James. Everything is okay. I just have a headache. I couldn't eat breakfast this morning. That's why my voice sounds different.
Oh no. I'm sorry to hear that. Are you sure you should go to work today?
Yes, James. I have an important meeting this morning. I don't want to miss it.
I understand, Lily. But please take care of yourself.
I will. James, thank you for caring.
If you start feeling worse, go home and get some rest.
Thank you, James. Have a great day at the office.
You too, Lily. Take care. I hope you feel better soon.
Okay, James. My mom's calling. I'll call you back later.
Sure. Talk to you later. Take care, Lily.
Hi, Lily.
Where are you now? Hi, Mom. I am driving to the office.
Lily, why didn't you eat your breakfast this morning?
I'm sorry, Mom. I had a bad headache, and I wasn't hungry.
Lily, sweetheart, why didn't you tell me you had a headache?
I'm sorry, Mom. I didn't want to worry you.
Lily, sweetheart, your health is more important than work.
I know, Mom. I'm sorry. I'll take better care of myself.
Lily, promise me you'll eat something as soon as you can. And if you start feeling worse, come home right away.
Okay, Mom. I promise. I'll have breakfast as soon as I can.
Good. Make sure you eat something before you go to work.
Okay, Mom. I'll grab some breakfast on the way to work.
Good girl. Take care of yourself, okay?
Okay, Mom. Don't worry. I'll take care of myself.
I love you, Lily. Drive safely.
I love you too, Mom. I'll call you later.
Okay, Lily. I'll be waiting for your call.
Hi, Lily. How are you, sweetheart?
Hi, Grandma. I'm doing okay. How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. Your mom told me you weren't feeling well this morning.
Yes, Grandma. I had a bad headache, so I didn't eat breakfast.
Oh, sweetheart. I hope you're feeling better now.
A little better. I'm gonna grab some breakfast before I get to the office.
Good, sweetheart. Breakfast is important, so don't skip it.
I know, Grandma. I'll be more careful from now on.
Are you driving right now, Lily? Are you driving right now?
Yes, Grandma. Don't worry. I'm driving safely.
If you start feeling worse, promise me you'll go home and rest.
I promise, Grandma. Don't worry. I'll take care of myself.
That's my good girl. Call me this afternoon and let me know how you're feeling.
Okay, Grandma. I'll call you this afternoon and let you know how I'm doing.
Okay, sweetheart. Take care and drive safely.
Thanks, Grandma. Have a great day. Bye.
Hi, Lily. Where are you right now?
Hi, Mom. I'm at a restaurant near my office. That's good. I'm glad to hear that. Are you eating breakfast now?
Mom, I'm trying to eat breakfast, but I just can't. My headache is still really bad. Oh, sweetheart. I'm so sorry you're still feeling sick. Lily, finish your breakfast as soon as you can and go to the hospital right away. I've already told your dad about your headache, and he's already talked to a doctor he knows.
Okay, Mom. I'm on my way to the hospital now.
Okay, Lily. I'll text you the hospital's name, the doctor's name, and the address right now.
Okay, Mom. Thank you. I'm on my way to the hospital now.
Okay, sweetheart. Drive safely and call me as soon as you get there.
Okay, Mom. I'll call you as soon as I get to the hospital.
Okay, sweetheart. I'll be waiting for your call. Take care. I love you.
I love you too, Mom. Thanks for everything. Bye.
Hi, sweetheart. Did you get to the hospital?
Yes, Mom. I'm sitting in the waiting room, waiting for the doctor to call my name.
That's good, sweetheart. I hope they call your name soon.
Okay, Mom. They're calling my name now. I'll call you after I see the doctor.
Okay, sweetheart. Go ahead. I'll be waiting for your call.
Okay, Mom. I'll call you as soon as I'm done seeing the doctor.
Sounds good. Take care, sweetheart.